Dear students, today I am going to teach you the poem Lamplighter, written by R.L. Stevenson. First of all, I will tell you who is a lamplighter. Lamplighter is a person employed to light and maintain candle or gas street lights. Here, let us know about the writer, the poet Robert Louis Stevenson. Robert Louis Stevenson was a Scottish novelist and travel writer. He was most noted for A Child's Garden of Verses. He was born on 13 November 1850 in Edinburgh, Scotland. Stevenson suffered from serious bronchial trouble for much of his life, but continued to write prolifically and travel widely in defiance of his poor health. As a young man, he mixed in London literary circles, receiving encouragement from Andrew Lang, Edmund Gosse, and W. E. Henley. In 1890, he settled in Samoa, where he died in 1894. A celebrity in his lifetime, Stevenson's critical reputation has fluctuated since his death. Though today his works are held in general acclaim, he is currently ranked as the 26th most translated author in the world. Now let us know more about the poem Lamplighter. The Lamplighter is a poem written by R.L. Stevenson and it was published in 1885. It has been taken from his famous series of poems A Child's Garden of Verses. Here in the poem, it has been described the wish of a young child to follow a lamplighter into the same profession. Now let us begin with the poem. My tea is nearly ready and the sun has left the sky. It's the time to take the window to see Leary going by. For every night at tea time and before you take your seat, with lantern and with ladder he comes posting up the street. Now Tom would be a driver and Maria go to sea, and my papa's banker as rich as he can be. But I, when I am stronger and I can choose what I am to do, oh lady, I will go round at night and light the lamps with you. For we are lucky with a lamp before the door. And Leary stops to light it as he lights so many more. And oh, before you hurry by with ladder and with light, oh Leary, see a little child and nod to him tonight. Dear children, in the first stanza, the poet says that it is evening and the sun has left the sky. It means sun is about to set. Now it's time to go to the window to see the Leary going to the street light with lantern and ladder, as he does every day. Before taking the tea, the poet used to do the same thing daily. He goes to the window and see Leary posting up street. Dear children, now let us see the second stanza. Now Tom would be a driver and Maria go to sea, and my papa's a banker, as rich as he can be. But when I am stronger and can choose what I am to do, "Oh, Leary, I will go round at night and light the lamps with you." Here, in second stanza, the poet says that Tom would be a driver and Maria goes to the sea. His father is a banker and he is a rich person, but here he has a desire that when he will be stronger. As it has been mentioned earlier, Stevenson was sickly growing up. He says that when he will be stronger and he will be able to choose what he wants to do, he will go round at night with Leary to light the lamp. Now let us see the third and the final stanza of the poem. "For we are very lucky with a lamp before the door, and Leary stops to light it as he lights so many more. And oh, before you hurry by with ladder and with light, oh Leary, see a little child and nod to him tonight." Here, in third and final stanza, he says that we are very lucky to have a lamp before the door, and Leary stops to light it as he lights so many lights in the street. He also requests Leary to see a little child and nod to him tonight before leaving his house.